everybody, I'm Julie, and if you've got a minute or maybe a little longer, I thought we would make some do-it-yourself laundry soap, which is really nice and good for you and all clean. I start out with this Arm & Hammer laundry booster, and you can find that in the detergent aisle actually at Walmart, or I always order it on Amazon because I don't like to go to Walmart, sorry. And let's see, so what you do, and you've got also, you need one of these immersion blenders. It's going to spill my thing. These are really handy. You don't have to have it, but if you don't have one of these, you should boil this on the stove top, and that will help combine all your ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the laundry soap, the laundry booster, and I just put it in just a measuring thing, and then you add, as Melissa Pepping says, screaming hot water. And I add maybe enough to get the water immersed, immerse the soap so that you can put the immersion blender in it. It's just kind of like that. So it turns white. And then you just take your immersion blender, which also makes it a good whirl. It still looks the same, but everything else is kind of dissolving. You can't really tell from there. And then the next thing you add is the baking soda. And you do the same thing, add some more screaming hot water. The screaming point, I'll use that. Just add a little more. You're going to end up with a gallon, basically, of laundry detergent, which is 16 cups. And you blend it again. Like I said, if you don't have one of these, still highly recommend. Then you're going to want to do those two steps on the stove top. After that, we're going to add my handy dandy thieves cleaner, put in everything. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of thieves cleaner. And at this point, you don't want to use the immersion blender because you've just added something that's kind of soapy and it'll bubble up, and you don't really want that because it will get messy. That makes it smell really good. Next thing we're going to add is Castile Soap. And I use 3/4 cup. You can use whatever scents sound good to you, or you can use the one that doesn't have any scent at all. It's really your choice. And what I use is the Dr. Bronner's, and I use a mixture of lavender and eucalyptus and peppermint. And it smells really good. So there's that. And then the last thing you add, almost the last thing, is salad suds. And salad suds is not a soap, but it does help get stains and things out. So I always throw that in as for good measure for laundry detergent stuff. So there's that. Just add it in there, mix it around. And then the last thing you add is your essential oils, because essential oils are good. I like to use purification, which takes away stinky smells. And you can add lemon, peppermint, thieves, whatever scent you're going for with your laundry detergent. And then the last thing that you do is you just add these screaming hot water until you have a gallon. And then you put it in your, hot again. While that's getting hot, you can add it into whatever container. I like one of these I got on Amazon. And I wanted to show you, this is what I put it in. So you might have some gelling, but that's okay. You can just scoop it out, and you can still use it. So that's all we got. It's still getting a little hot. I'm gonna sign off. So if you would like this recipe, and once you put it in the container, actually, let me tell you to use a funnel and then just pour it in, and then you're ready to go. And you just use, I use it in my my regular top load or front loading washers, the HE washers, you can use that just like that. I've been doing it for years, so it's safe for that. So if you would like this recipe, just text wash to 910-466-3015 and happy laundry cleaning. Oh, and one more point. When you wash your clothes, you should not smell a scent when it's done washing, unless you've left it in and it gets kind of gross. If you forgot to put it in the dryer, that's the only scent you should smell. The scent that you smell when you have your regular laundry detergent is stuff that sticks onto your clothes. It's chemicals, and it will seep into your skin while you're wearing your clothes and harm your body, especially your endocrine system if you're a woman. So, all right, that said, remember, text 910-466-3015, text the word wash, and I will send you this recipe. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.